Okay, I'm standing here with a slice of the ultimate red velvet cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Because if you might remember, this guy over here threw away some very important papers of mine. And he went on such a bad guilt trip that he gave me a gift card. So I used this gift card to get the most popular piece of cheesecake from the Cheesecake Factory. Now, the bad thing with this is this slice, and it's a big slice, it's meant for more than one person, is 1,540 calories.
Hello.
That's what 1,500 calories looks like.
1,500 calories.
Those are good calories.
So I'm kind of thinking, you know, we could all share. I'll cut it into 3 slices, and it's only 500 calories.
500 calories a piece.
That's still a lot.
That is.
Now, what if I cut it into 10?
Cut it into 10, that'd be 150.
150 manageable. Okay,
That's
so
not bad.
come on
Bowl of
over here,
cereal.
and I'm going to cut it, and we can all share.
You know, she's not
So
so
should
bad
I-
after all.
I know,
She's
that's
going to
kinda
share
nice.
it. Yeah.
Should I cut it this way, but then you don't get all of it, but then if I cut it this way, only one person gets the...
I think maybe that way. I don't know.
You know what?
What do you think?
I know what
I
I'm
think
thinking.
this is for me, and I don't want to cut this piece of cheesecake.
Why don't we just all take a
So,
bite?
Yeah,
I
You're
think
not going to share it?
I'm just going to save
gonna
you
share
guys from the calories.
No,
and
no, you
I'm
really
just gonna
don't have to.
No,
Don't
because I
put
can't
yourself out
possibly
like that.
run.
Watch out.
I
Don't-
can't possibly run.
Turn off the camera.
Don't put
Turn off
yourself
the
out
camera.
like, give me that cake!
Hold her, hold her.